Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning to you all of you children. Hope you all are doing good. Children, welcome back to EVS class. If you remember, yesterday we have started the reading of lesson number 1, uses of plants. Yesterday we have done a part of it and today we are going to continue. Okay children? So children, now yesterday we have stopped till here, till oils we have seen. We have learnt about the food from plants. Yes, cereals and pulses we have seen. We have also seen the vegetables and the roots from which we get the plants. Yes, roots of plants that we eat. All right, and also the underground stems and fruit and nuts. And also we have seen the spices. And the last one what we have learnt is the oils. Yes children, now we are going to see the next one. Next bit is tea, coffee, sugar and cocoa. Okay, we get tea from the leaves of tea plant. Coffee seeds are crushed to make coffee powder. Sugar is made from sugarcane juice. Cocoa is made from seeds of cocoa tree. Cocoa is used to make chocolates. Children, you eat so many chocolates. It is made up of cocoa. Okay, this is a plant from which we get a chocolate. Yes, cocoa is used to make chocolates. Yes, you can see the pictures here. Tea, coffee, sugar and cocoa. And see children, you also have multiple choice questions. We also complete this. Okay, we will complete. Pick the correct answer he is asking. Which of the following is a dry fruit? Yesterday we have learnt about fruits and nuts. Yes children. So which is the one of the dry fruit he is asking. So the options are, children, you can see here, guava, almond and turnip. Almond is a dry fruit. So put the tick mark on almond. Alright. And the next is gram and black lentils are dash. So pulses, options are pulses, cereals and vegetables. So the answer is pulses. We have learnt about the gram and black lentils. Do you remember children? See here. Seeds of some plants are called pulses like gram and black lentils. Okay. So put the tick mark on gram and black lentils are pulses. So put the tick mark on pulses. Okay, coming to the next page children, fibers from plants. So we also get some fibers from plant children. We get cotton and jute from plants. These are used for making clothes, sacks and mats. Okay, so we get cotton and jute from plant. So with that we make the clothes and sacks and mats. Alright, so cotton plant, this is cotton fabrics. See, you can make the clothes here like this, jute plant and jute sacks. Alright, these are the jute bags. Alright, so now wood from plants. What are the woods? We get it from plants. We can see here. We get wood from trees. Wood is used to make houses, furniture and pencils. Wood is also used to firewood for cooking. Alright, we get wood from trees. Wood is used to make houses, furniture and pencils. Wood is also used as firewood for cooking. Okay children, so we also get the wood from plants, so it is used for many purposes. So the next is children, we also get medicines from plants. Okay, now we are going to see step by step. We use the dried roots of muleti and the juice of tulsi leaves to cure cough and cold. Okay, the dried roots of muleti and the juice of the tulsi leaves to cure cough and cold. Okay, and the next point is the leaves and seeds of dhatura are used to cure asthma and bronchitis. Okay children, bronchitis is a sort of coughing disease. So that is, yeah, so you use the leaves and seeds of dhatura to cure that. All right, and the next point is the leaves and seeds oil of neem cure fever. Okay, what it will do, the leaves and seeds oil of neem is used to cure the fever. And the next is the turmeric, that is haldi powder. Turmeric haldi powder is used for the treatment of wounds and sprain. Okay, these are the medicines what we get from the plant children. So you can see the pictures of tulsi, dhatura, neem and turmeric. All right, Now turn the page. Coming to the next page, children, the next is what a paper we get. Paper, gum and rubber also we get it from plant. So we'll just see that. So we get paper from the bamboo plant. We get rubber from the rubber tree. Gum is made from the juice of the acacia tree. Okay children, it's the name of the tree from which we get the gum. So we get paper from the bamboo plant. We get rubber from the rubber tree. Gum is made from the juice of the acacia tree. Okay, so you can also have the look at the pictures. We get paper from the bamboo, we get rubber from the rubber tree, and we get gum from the acacia tree. Okay children, and the next is the last topic is perfume from plants. We also get perfumes from plants, like we get perfumes from some sweet smelling flowers, okay, like jasmine, rose and lavender. So we can also make the perfume from some of the flowers of some plants like jasmine, rose and lavender. You can see the picture here. Alright children, now next we are going to continue with the exercises. Please see here children. These are the first A bit is the oral question. Okay, oral questions are, I am eating a turnip. Which part of the plant am I eating? Yes children, we have learned this here. I have shown you. See here, vegetables. In the vegetables we use, vegetables are good for our health. We eat different parts of plant. So it's a part of the plant. What is the root is a part of the plant, and what we get it from that root? Carrot, beetroot, turnip and radish. So children, you can see here. So root is the part of the plant that I am eating. Alright. What are edible oils? Yes children, edible oils like the oils used for cooking. We have just now read this. Oils used for cooking are called edible oils. Okay. Okay, you have to write this here. Please write it here children. I don't have a space here. You can write it here. So first one is the root and you write it here. The oil which is used for cooking is called edible oil. And the next is the quiz question B bit. Name 2 spices. We have also learnt about the spices here. See, chilies, cloves, pepper, cumin. Okay, cloves and pepper and cumin. So you can write any 2 spices here. Name 2 fibers we get from plant. Children, we also have learned just now about the fibers from the plant. Okay, so cotton, fabric, cotton plant, cotton fabric, jute plant and jute sacks. So you can write any 2 fibers. Okay, yeah, so as they are quiz and oral questions, I am not writing here. Now next is the C bit. Children, the C bit is tick the correct answer. Okay, so tick the correct answer. The part of the radish we eat is its dash. Just now we have seen here, it is a root of the plant. So put the tick mark on the root here. Okay, leaf is wrong, fruit is wrong. So root is the right one. Please put the tick mark on root. And the next one is children, sacks and mats are made from bamboo, spices and jute. Just now we have done this. Yes, put the tick mark on jute. Sacks and mats are made from jute. Shalu, and third one is Shalu enjoys fruits like guavas and mangoes. She always washes them well with fresh water before eating them. What do you learn from Shalu? Yes children, the options he has given: care for fruit, hygiene and hard work. Hard work is wrong and care for fruit is wrong. So the hygiene means we are cleaning the fruit and then you are eating. So you are not going to eat the dirty fruit. So you have to first wash the fruit and then you have to eat. So what do you learn from Shalu? You are using the hygiene. How to be a hygiene you are learning. So please put the tick mark on be hygiene. The next is D bit. D bit is fill in the blanks with the help of the given words. Yes children, he has given some words. You have to write the correct here on the in the blank. Okay, the first one is the juice of dash leaves is used to cure cold and cough. We have learnt about the medicines here. Just now we have learnt about the medicines from plant. So he is asking that juice of dash leaves is used to cure cold and cough is, yes, tulsi. Write down the tulsi here in the blank. The next one is second one, dash is an underground stem that we eat. Which is underground stem children? Onion, right? Onion, write down here in the blank. Third one is we get paper from the dash plant. We get paper from, yes, bamboo. Yes, bamboo plant. So write down bamboo plant. Fourth is oils used for cooking are called dash oils. What are they called? They called edible oils. Very good. They called edible oils. Fifth one is we add dash to make our food tasty. We add spices. Yes, we add spices to make our food tasty. Yes, children, we will write the answers in the next class. Now I am giving you the homework for the next class. Please do the match the following in the reader itself and send it on the group. Okay children, you have to just connect the right one. Sugar means sugar cane, oil is mustard, chocolates cocoa, mats jute. So simple. Okay, please do this and send it on the group. Children, as we have completed lesson number 1, uses of plant, we will just have the overview what we have learnt. Okay children, so these are the vegetables. We eat different parts of plants as vegetables. Carrot, beetroot, turnip and radish are the roots of the plant that we eat. Okay children, so these are the roots of the plant. And we also eat the underground stems of some plants like potato. We eat potato and we eat onions, and also we eat ginger children. So these are, what are they called? They are called the underground stems that we eat. Okay children, do you know when your mother cooks the food, she adds some spices like chili, pepper, cumin and ginger. You know turmeric, which is haldi. Yes, why do we add these spices to our food? To make it tasty. Yes. Okay children, these are the spices we get. And now these are the coffee beans. We use coffee beans to make coffee. Okay children, so these are the coffee beans which are crushed into powder and we get the coffee. Okay children, the next is the tea plants. With the help of this tea plant, we get the tea powder and we make the tea. Okay. The next one is children, cocoa. Okay. Cocoa is made from seeds of cocoa tree. Yes children, cocoa is used to make. Why do we use cocoa? Yesterday we have learned it is used to make chocolates. You like chocolates, right? Yes, even I too like chocolates. Next children, sugar cane. Yes, sugar cane, with the help of this we get the sugar. Okay, we make sweet dishes with this, and sugar is sweet. Okay children, and the next one is, coming to the next one is oil children. We get oil from seeds of some plants. Okay, like groundnut. What is groundnut? Groundnut is moompali, and mustard, sunflower and coconut oil. Okay, oils used for cooking are edible oils. Your mother uses this oil, right, for cooking. And what is this oils are, how we get it? They are crushed and we take out the oil from the seeds. Okay children, and coming to the next one is cotton. How we use this cotton children? We make the thread of this cotton and then we make the fabrics. What are fabrics? Fabrics are clothes. We make the clothes, cotton clothes, to by using this cotton. Okay, and jute children, with the help of this jute also we make bags, like, okay, cotton and jute from jute plants are used for making clothes, sacks and mats. Okay children, hope you understood the lesson. Go through the lesson once. See you in the next session children. Thank you.